Imagine a world where people don't sleep at all. No more sleep. Not at night, not during the day. 8 hours of extra time in a day. The world is in a real frenzy. Education, work, discovery, everything is accelerating. But things change when the body gets tired. Sleep is not just about resting. The memory, the psyche, the immune system needs it. Without sleep, the brain starts to malfunction. Emotional problems arise. The concentration is gone. You're hallucinating. What if technology replaced sleep? It will change us forever. What if sleep is our evolutionary advantage? We sleep to keep our brains working properly. In sleep, the brain is cleared of debris, and it strengthens a memory. In sleep, the tissues of the body regenerate. The immune system is getting stronger. Sleep regulates hormones and protects against disease. Heart disease, diabetes are all related to sleep. Sleep clears the brain of accumulated rubbish. It will help you remember what's important and removes all the unnecessary stuff. In sleep, we conserve energy. It gives you the strength to recover. Sleep reduces stress and anxiety. Sleep improves your mood. This is important for decision making, for creativity and inspiration. Without sleep, it all disappears. We lose a part of ourselves. Maybe sleep is a gift, not a weakness. Sleep is not a waste of time. Sleep is our superpower.